What is antivirus? Antivirus software is a class of program designed to prevent, detect, and remove malware infections on individual computing devices, networks, and IT systems. Antivirus software is originally defined to detect and remove virus from computer, can also protect against a wide variety of threat, including other types of malicious software, such as key locker, browser hijacks, Trojan horse, and ROM, rootkits, and spyware, adware, botnets, and ransomware. Functions of antivirus software. Antivirus software typically runs on background process, scanning computer servers or mobile phones to detect and restrict the spread of malware. Many antivirus software programs include real-time threat detection and protecting to guard against potential vulnerability as they happen, as well as the system scans that monitor decide and device and system files looking for possible risks. Antivirus software usually performs this basic functionalities, scanning, detecting of specific files for non-malicious patterns, indicating the presence of malicious software, allowing user to schedule scans so they run automatically, allowing user to initiate new scans at any time, and removing any malicious software in detects. Some antivirus software programs do not automatically in background, while other notify user of infections and risk them if they went to clean the files. In order to scan a system's comprehensive antivirus software must generally gain privileged access to the entire system. This makes antivirus software itself a common target for hackers, and researchers have discovered remote code executive and other serious vulnerabilities in antivirus software and product in recent years. Function of effective antivirus. The following functions of antivirus are to be looked for when you decide on installing one's proactive scanning for malware and deleting once detected default then protection default then protection that is implemented to prevent the entry of suspicious files by default. Auto sandbox technology, a virtual environment where suspicious and unknown files are secluded and run to check for any malicious activities without interfering with the normal opinions operations. Containment technology validates and authorizes the program that are executed and source that the possesses or runs without the affecting the regular operating system's opinions of the system host. Intrusion protection system HIPS. This feature works on the protecting under protocol based instruction, preventing system that oversees all the applications and program activities that are processed in the system. The HIPs terminated any malicious activities once found this present the malware from infecting the operating system registry key or personal data or a system memory. Type of antivirus are also of different types based on the OS compatibility. Antivirus for Windows OS, antivirus for Linux OS, antivirus for Android OS, antivirus for Mac OS. A type of antivirus programs. Antivirus program is distributed in a number of forms, including state alone antivirus scanners and internet security suites that offer antivirus program along with a firewall, privacy control, and other security protections. Some antivirus software vendors offers basic vendors of their product at no cost. Their fee versions generally offers a basic antivirus and spyware protection, but more advanced features and protections are usually available only to spying customers. When some operating systems are targeted more frequently by virus developments, antivirus software is available for most operating systems are Windows antivirus software. Most antivirus software vendors offers several levels of Windows protections and product at a different price point, starting with the free version offering only basic protection. User must start scanning and updates manually, and typically free version of antivirus software won't protect against to malicious websites or malicious attacks in emails. Premium version of the antivirus software offers includes suites of endpoint and security tools. They may provide a secure online storage and ads blockers and file encryptions. Since 2004, Microsoft has been offering some kind of free anti-software as a part of Windows operating system itself, generally under the name Windows Defender. Through the software was mostly limited to detecting a spyware prior to 2006. Mac OS antivirus software, although Mac OS virus exists, there is less common than a Windows virus. So antivirus protects from Mac OS are less standardized than those for Windows. There are a number of free and paid products available, providing on-demand tools to protect against potential malware theft through full system malware scans and the ability to sift through specific email threats, attachments, and virus web activities. Android antivirus software. Android is the world's most popular mobile operating systems and is installed on the more mobile devices than any other OS because most mobile malware target Android. Experts recommended all Android device users installing the antivirus software on their devices. Vendors offers a variety of basic free and paid premium vendors of their Android variety of antivirus, including the anti-theft and remote locating features. Some run automatically scans and actively try to stop malicious web pages and files from being spammed and opened or downloaded. Virus detection techniques. Antivirus software uses a variety of virus techniques. Originally, antivirus software depends on the signature based detection to flag malicious software. Antivirus program depends on the stored virus signatures, a unique string of data or characters of non-malware. The antivirus software uses the signatures to identify when it encounters a virus that has already been identified and analyzes by the security experts. Sign based malware content cannot detect a new malware, including the variety of existing malwares. Signature based detection can only detect a new viruses and when the definition file is updated with the information about the new virus, with the number of new malware signatures increasing at around 10 million per year. As long ago as 2011, modern antivirus based only signature based may contain hundreds of millions or even billions of entries, making antivirus software based solely on a signature impractical. However, the signature based detection does not usually produce a false positive machines. Heuristic based detection uses an algorithm to compare the signatures of non virus against potential theft. With heuristic based detections, antivirus software can detect viruses that haven't been discovered yet, as well as already existing viruses that has been distinguished or modified, released as a new virus. However, this method can also generate a false position match when the antivirus software detects a program behaving similar to a malicious program and incorrectly identifies it as a virus. Antivirus software may also use a behavior based detection to analyze an objective behavior or potential behavior for suspicious activities and infers malicious effect based on those observations. For example, code that attempts to perform unauthorized or abnormal actions would indicate the objection is malicious or at least suspicious. Some examples of behavior that potentially signal danger include a modify or deleting a large number of files, monitoring key stores, changing setting of the other programs, and remotely connecting to the computers.